Well, back on the canal, it looks like there's something happening, so let's send the drone up, see what's going on. But stick around to the end, I've got some exciting news about this behind me. Okay, so over the last few weeks they've put in the new foundations around here. And it looks like you got the diggers out again. They put in more. He's got that pump working away on that pool there. I wonder if they've got an issue with it, or they're trying to clear it all out so they can start putting in the new cut. At this point, this is where it's going to widen out again, so where that pump is now, that is where they want to widen it back out again, back to the full width, the double sized canal. Now we'll just go overhead. Let's just try a spot like that. And we'll just go across, nice and bonny. There we go. As you can see, that's what they're working on at the moment. And if we can zoom in that pool. Just, there we go. They've got that in there. Just emptying that pool out there. Looks like it's sunk a bit there. You see all the earth around it where it's cracked and just gone down. I wonder if they're trying to fill that now. Stop it from going again in the future. Well, it looks like whatever the issue was, they're now just filling it in. So hopefully it wasn't the issue properly in the first place. You can see them working away there. Let's say that hole that was there is now pretty much gone. They've got a digger pretty much on top of it, so that looks like that's sorted. Zoom back out. We'll just have a quick zoom down here. See if there's anything else interesting happening around here. Keep an eye on this side, because I've got some interesting news, folks. Especially if you're local. You'll be very interested, so stick around to the end. I'll give you an update. Well, there you go, that's your flyby for this week. Earlier this week they were draining that hole, looks like it wasn't an issue. They've got the diggers down there now and they're filling it in, so that's good news. And also while I was up there, I said, have a look at this area here. Well, I've got some brilliant information for you. I've been reliably informed that the path will be reopened in 3 weeks. Now, depending on when I get this edited, we're looking around about the 6th of July, which just happens to be the 90th anniversary of when the canal collapsed. So if you want to keep up to date of what's happening on the Manchester Bolton Canal restoration, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.